How to brighten your skin naturally at home. Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty and Tips. Are you dreaming of radiant, glowing skin that feels as good as it looks? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to not just lightening your skin, but also achieving that coveted luminous glow. From natural remedies to skincare tips. Let's start. Stay hydrated. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day flushes toxins and keeps skin hydrated, which helps it look fresh and bright. Add lemon for extra vitamin C to boost collagen. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Foods rich in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants, like berries, oranges, spinach, and nuts, nourish the skin, promote collagen, and can enhance skin radiance over time. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliate gently with a homemade scrub, like sugar and honey, once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin underneath. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is excellent for hydration and brightening. Its compound allicin may help reduce pigmentation. Apply fresh aloe to your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. Lemon and honey mask. Lemon naturally brightens while honey moisturizes. Mix lemon juice with honey, apply it for 10 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Use once a week, but avoid lemon if your skin is sensitive. Turmeric mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. Mix a small amount with yogurt or milk, apply as a mask, and leave for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Repeat weekly for a natural glow. Face massage. Gently massaging your face improves blood circulation and can enhance the skin's brightness. Use a few drops of facial oil and massage in upward circular motions. Steaming. Steaming opens pores and helps cleanse deeply. Do this once a week, then rinse your face with cold water to close pores. It leaves your skin refreshed and ready to absorb moisturizers. Sleep on a clean pillowcase. Dirt and oils on pillowcases can transfer to your skin, causing dullness or breakouts. Wash your pillowcases weekly. Use a gentle cleanser. Cleansing removes dirt and oil buildup. Opt for a gentle sulfate-free cleanser to avoid stripping your skin's natural oils. Moisturize daily. Keeping your skin moisturized prevents dullness and dryness. Use a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, preferably with natural ingredients like jojoba or almond oil. Sun protection. Sun exposure darkens skin and increases pigmentation, so always wear SPF 30 or higher, even on cloudy days. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep helps the skin repair itself, reduce dark circles, and maintain a healthy glow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Beautiful skin is just the beginning. You are more than your skin tone, and your worth shines brighter than any complexion. Keep loving yourself, inside and out. Thanks for watching my video on how to brighten your skin. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For more informative content on beauty and wellness, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.